Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an offset spiral. The shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have the shirt turned inside out. I'm using a fork to begin the spiral, and I'm going to start the spiral down in the lower portion of the shirt. As I turn the fork, I'm using my other hand to add additional folds in the spiral. Now that the shirt is spiraled, I'm going to use some rubber bands to hold all the folds in place. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to do an offset design for this spiral. So I'm going to use deep orange, fire red, and deep yellow for the offset, and then over the top I'm going to paint a little bit of Brazil nut. All these colors are from Dharma Trading Company. Before I begin, I'm going to divide the shirt into 3 sections, both the front and the back. I'm going to take each line through the center of the spiral. I'm beginning with deep yellow, the next section is deep orange, then I'm adding fire red to the last section. To make it an offset, when I turn the shirt over, I'm going to shift all of the colors one space over. I'm beginning with the deep yellow again. I'm putting the deep yellow over the top of the deep orange. Now I'm adding the deep orange over the top of the fire red. This is why it's called an offset, is because I'm offsetting the colors one space. Finally, over the top of the deep yellow, I'm going to add the fire red. Now I'm going to use a deep brown color called Brazil Nut and apply that over the top with a foam brush. I want to get the color on top of the pleats. However, I don't want to oversaturate with this color. I just want it to be an accent on the spiral. Now I'm going to set my shirt aside and allow it to process for 24 hours. After it was washed and dried, this is what our shirt looks like. So I like the way this shirt ended up turning out. However, you really can't see the offset as much as I was wanting to. The deep yellow and the deep orange blended a little bit too much and just kind of made a lighter shade of orange. You can see some where I put the red and the yellow together. Also, the dark brown of the Brazil nut for some reason turned green on this shirt. I used this same exact batch of dye earlier in the day and it was actually brown. So the green had to have come up where it mixed with the yellow and the orange. But believe it or not, I actually think it adds a little added accent to this shirt. So hey, if you guys have enjoyed watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.